Oh, no. Oh, no. I can't sell that tractor.
And Rick, what do you think as far as the price goes?
I was gonna ask you.
Well, I don't know, we're, 38 to 48, is that in the range, or where are you thinking?
It's gotta be higher than 30, I mean. You can steal a battery, but on my one.
Okay.
So what I'll do is when I get back, I'll run some comps that are similar to your car. See what they're.
Yeah, if you told me, no, you're gonna get way more than that, that wouldn't make me mad.
Yeah.
But I'm not current the pricing, I don't know.
We were talking, just shooting off some ballpark figures, right? Just like that, you know. I mean, Randy.
Little Delaware.
I was probably calling you Rick too.
No, yeah, I called you Randy.
Anyway,
You know, isn't in comparison, obviously, comparison to mine, it's a way desirable car. It's obviously more than mine. We know that. You know, although it's maybe an older build, but it's still worth more just because of what it is. 32 Fords, nuts. But, you know, if we're talking right around, 48 to 50, that's worth. If that one dude was selling his for 70, which was a nice car.
Ed?
Yeah, Ed Shaughnessy. I know the car. I say, it was it's a beautiful car. But if he's selling that for 70, that one is,
Feels better.
yeah, that's a kit. You know what I mean? And this one's steel. You know, we're talking, I mean, is ballpark more like this 48 to 50?
It's gonna be tough at 70, you're correct.
Yes, for his, right. Right. But,
and I would like it priced, not to give it away or anything like that. I'd like a fair price for it, but I'd like it to sell too. You know, I don't wanna,
but I think that comes with, when you're talking, when they're calling you and saying,